So I decided today I'm going to clean my PC. Um, um, huh. Think, um, there we go. Good enough. Now there is one slight issue. This thing hasn't been opened in years. So let's just... stay. Let's just... we'll figure it out later. We don't need to remember them. Oh yes, the tab. I'm missing something. After contemplating my existence and realizing I'm just an idiot, I have to pull those tabs up. Now it should come up. What's stopping it? So I've come to the conclusion, I think I'm just not pulling hard enough. Yep, I was right. Why is it so clean? After looking at it for a minute, I realized it is not clean. There's actually gigantic... you can't really show it on the camera. Gigantic clumps in there. Alright, I got a Q-tip. Now let's clean this. Huh. So, don't think that... I think I'm doing something wrong. Once again, I discovered I just wasn't pushing hard enough. I just need to push harder. Then it all comes out if I push hard enough. So after going through it, I feel like there wasn't that much dust. Second. Just had to beat it for good luck. As you can see, there's no dust. Okay, as you now can see, there's no dust inside of it. See, I keep my stuff very clean. Alright, now that the graphics card is cleaned, we can put it back in. It's not sitting well enough. Just push it in. There we go. Snapping. There we go. Crap. What were the order of these again? Wasn't there another one? Oh yeah, there was. Well, I think it went like this. Yeah, what's the worst that can happen? Alright, come on. Come on, go in. Here we go. So... oh. Don't think this is supposed to make a rattling sound. Yeah, it's fine. There we go. Now the PC is all cleaned. I found these laying around, and they're probably useless. Alright, now let's plug it in and make sure everything works. Come on. There we go. There we go. It sounds happy. Hey. Oh. Well, it booted. So it's been booting for a while. Probably just needs an update. So it's been about 10 minutes. But it's finally changing, so I think we're almost there. There we go. See? I knew I could do this. Now, the computer is fully working. So, yeah. I don't really know. Anyone know why my PC smells like smoke?